Hey guys, it's Alex, and today we will be using Corvic AI to make a customer support ticket bot that will read and learn from over 8,000 support tickets. Our ticket CSV will be the only document we give the bot today, and we're going to be timing ourselves to see how long it'll take to create this. To start first, we need to create a room. I'll call mine customer support tickets. And then we need to add our ingestion pipeline. I'll call mine support tickets. This is where we'll add our data. You can also use data connections, but today I'll just be using a CSV. And depending on how big the documents are, how much data you're moving around, it might take a while to load. So once you get the name and description, go ahead and click create, then click on the main table, and we have to wait for our data to load in. Once pipeline status says complete and turns green, click on quick mode in the top right hand corner. From there, click on whatever you named your pipeline. So for us, it's support tickets, and then hit proceed. Quick mode running might take a few minutes because it does the majority of the work here. Once it fully loads to 100%, which took for me about 2 minutes, go ahead and click proceed. From there, we are in our bot area. We give it a name, an LLM model, persona, a completion prompt, and a workflow prompt. For me, usually I generate the completion and workflow prompt with ChatGPT just because I find it easier. Go ahead and click update when you're done and start talking to your bot. Here our bot knew the successful amount of tickets that we had in the original CSV. Here it says 8470, and that's not including the first row, which it knew to block out. And that took only 6 minutes and 1 second to make. Once you're happy with the agent and want to deploy it, click on Deployment Preview in the top right-hand corner. Here you could give it a proper name, welcome message, description, and add any YouTube tutorials or documentation you want to give to it. And you could also add a logo and color of the bot. And I like to add the starter questions below using the AI generated ones, and you could change. Once you're done customizing, hit on deploy in the top right hand corner. And here you can get the direct link and the integration for Python. I blocked out my secret API link there. And you can invite people, and it's fully operational. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more tutorials.